Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Air Jordan 2 Lucky Green colorway. This is my first pair of Jordan 2s ever. I just was never a fan of the silhouette. And then I saw this colorway and the green, Lucky Green is what attracted me to it because I really like different variations of green. So, the shoe came out on the 3rd of February. The shoe has not sold out, which honestly I was really surprised about. The green is very vibrant and it's cute. So, I got my pair. They were $140 for grade size. I've seen a lot of videos of people having like a really cool Air Jordan box. I don't have a really cool Air Jordan box. I have the regular little Jordan box. I got a size 5. I'm not too sure about how the sizing is gonna be because like I said, this is my first pair of Jordan 2s. I'm really in between a 6.5 and a 7. So I always opt to go down to a 6.5, which is a 5. I'm gonna start with unboxing the shoe. Like I mentioned, I have a regular Air Jordan box, the grade size box. So you open it, we have a regular paper, but I had to have down a bigger size so it's gonna get better. And boom, here we go. We have the Jordan 2 Lucky Green. So right off the bat, like I said, that green is what really attracted me to this shoe. And it's so vibrant, it's so cute. It's giving like Celtics green. Just looking at it, our main 2 colors on the shoe are white and green. So okay, so let's get into it. Our upper is white leather and we have the perforations, and I hope I'm saying the word right, going up the toe box area. And then we have 2 eyelid parts. We have the eyelids right here, which are the metallic white, and then we have like an off-white cream color eyelids going up our toe box. So I really like the texture of the mid panel. It's like this reptile, like snake skin type of vibe. I really like how it feels. I'm really big on textures and shoes. So I like how we have leather and then we have the reptile skin. Also around our mid panel, we have like this green lining, but it looks like green and black. However, I really like it. It's a really great contrast to the shoe. Our ankle collar is white leather. Then we have our heel, and our heel is like 2 variations. So we have like this rubber green type of material, and then we have Nike embroidered in back on the heel. Really like that. I don't know, the black Nike really stands out. I'm happy that they chose black Nike instead of like another color. And then we have our lining, which is this Lucky Green. I love this colorway. Our heel clip right here is like this off-white cream color. So I think it gives it a really good contrast. We have like off-white and then we have the green, and it's just not doing too much, you know? Like the green is placed really nice and the white is placed really nice. Our tongue is white leather. We still have perforations on the top part. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm not really a big fan of this Air Jordan wing logo being right here. It's just kind of big. I don't like that. But I just don't like it, and that's fine. But our Air Jordan wing logo is green and it's like outlined in black when it says Air Jordan with the wings. The insole of the shoe, if I can like show it really, is white and green. The outsole of our shoe is gray and green and cream. The Nike, like where this part of the shoe is like a foam, which is cool. I feel like it'll be really good when you're walking it and it's comfortable. And it says 5. You know, honestly, when I look at the bottom of my shoes, I've never seen the size. So it's kind of cool to see my size that I got. So, like I said, pretty like straight to the point with the colors. I'm gonna go ahead and put the shoe on. I forgot to mention, it only comes with 1 pair of laces, which is cool. I think that if it was green laces, it would have been way too much. So I like that we have this 1 pair of white laces. If you're like me and you're in between a 6.5 and a 7, I definitely say get a 5 rather than a 5.5 because I feel like they'll be too big if you do get that 5.5. I just want to point out a couple things that are really my favorite. Really feeling this heel tab area and the lining being green. I like the perforations going up the toe box and like up the upper. Overall, like I keep saying, I really like that color green. But yeah, like I said, this is my first pair of Jordan 2s. I'm really happy with the colorway that I bought. I like these better than the Chicago 2s just because I like green. I feel like green is more vibrant. But I do say get these shoes. I know that the Jordan 2 is not really a popular silhouette, but I really like the Lucky Green, and I think that anybody would like them. So thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, Daesiaxo, and TikTok, Daesiaxo.